Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on this problem. This states determine the magnitude and y-intercept of the resultant of force system acting on a lamina as shown in figure. Okay, so we have to find the magnitude and y-intercept for this force system. Okay, so we have vertical force, horizontal force and the inclined force. Okay, three forces are given in this figure and we have to find the y-intercept. So we have to resolve this inclined force into its horizontal and vertical component, correct? Before that, we need to find the unknown. What is unknown here? Pi, that is theta. Okay, so this angle should be found out now. So for that, I will take, see if you consider this. Okay, so this angle, whatever is present here, is equal to this angle, isn't it? This angle is equal to this angle, because when you consider this, these are the what we can say vertically opposite angle. These two and these two will be equal. So similarly, this and this angle will be equal. So for that, if I want this pi or theta, whatever you say, okay, here they have mentioned pi, so I will take the pi. So to find this pi, can you take this triangle, what you are seeing here, this and this, correct? So this, you can take it, right? So what is, you know, this dimensions, what is the dimension? This is this total is 400. I mean this 4 boxes are there, here 4 and here 4, so it is 400 by 400 mm. So each box contain 100 mm by 100 mm, correct? So each square, so this is 100, this is 100, so this is 200 mm, this is 100, this is 100, it is also 200 mm. So for that you can write 200 by 200. So to find out this pi, okay, pi, so to find out this pi, it is very difficult to write with this pen since I am starting it first, okay, so please bear with me. Tan phi is equal to, you know the formula, that is opposite by what? Adjacent, correct? So this is opposite by adjacent, so what is the opposite side? 200, so you want pi, correct? Shift the tan towards the right, it will become tan, it will become tan inverse, means 1 by 10, that is what tan inverse means. Now what is the opposite? That is 200 divided by 200, so you will get it as 1. So what is tan inverse of 1? What is tan inverse of 1? 45 degree, correct? So 45 degree, see, they have found it out, 45 degree, correct? So first step is done, we know this unknown, that is 45 degree. Okay, I will erase it. Okay, so now you have to resolve this into horizontal and vertical component. If the resultant is like this, the horizontal component for this will be like this. Okay, so this is vertical component and this is horizontal component. Now you know that this one, what I said, the horizontal is cos and vertical is sine, but when it is the angle it is making with respect to y-axis, then it will be cos, means the theta where it is making, that will comes as a cos. Okay, you can take that as a trick. And this is sine. Okay, so for that I will write here, it will be how much, 600, it is sine. Okay, sine 45, and this will be 600 cos 45. Okay, I hope you got it. So this is 600 sine 45 and this is 600 cos 45. So now we'll solve the horizontal and vertical components. So for that, summation fx. Where is the horizontal force? This is vertical, we can't consider. Yes, this one is there. So it is moving towards right side. So plus 400. Okay, plus 400. Then this also moving towards right, the horizontal force. So this is also plus 600 sine 45, plus 600 sine 45. Okay, so just write whatever the value you got by resolving this forces. Okay, now next is what? You have to resolve the vertical components. Now 200 is going towards up, so it will be plus 200, this will be minus 600 cos 45. So by resolving this, you will get minus 224.264 Newton. You understood this step? I hope you're clear with this. Next, R is equal to the magnitude. See, determine the magnitude. So to find the magnitude, we know the formula sigma fx square plus sigma fy square. Substitute the values, you will get the R value as 228 Newton. Okay, 228. Then you have to find the direction of it. So the direction of the resultant is tan inverse of sigma fy by sigma fx. So substitute the values you got, you will get it as minus 15.22 degrees. Now what is the next step? You had to find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we need movement. So for that sake, we are calculating the moment here. And since no other points are mentioned, we can directly take it at the point O. Now start from this. This is moving towards O in clockwise, the anti-clockwise. And this don't have any perpendicular distance. I said you in the last video, if the force is like this, perpendicular distance should be like this. Okay. If force is like this, perpendicular distance should be like this. Okay, you know the perpendicular sign, correct? So for that, so here, can you see any perpendicular distance? See, this is lying exactly on the line itself, O line itself. This and this will not be having any perpendicular distance. Okay, now 200 into 0, it will be 0, so that is why they haven't written here. Okay, next start with this 400 till point O. What is the perpendicular distance? See, force is like this, perpendicular distance should be like this. Till O, same distance, correct? What is the distance is here? This distance will be same here, same here, same here too, correct? So that is why. What is the distance? 400 mm. So it is 400 into 400. What is the direction? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise, so positive. 400 into 400. Next come to this force. This is moving towards O in clockwise direction. And this doesn't have any perpendicular distance, so we can't consider it. So it will be 0. Okay, 600 sine 45 into 0. You can write it if you want. 600 sine 45 into 0. Next come to this force. This is moving towards O in clockwise direction, so it will be positive. Plus 600 cos 45 into, what is the perpendicular distance? See, force is like this, perpendicular distance should be like this. Okay, what is that? It will be how much? 400, correct? So 600 cos 45 into 400. See here, they have mistakenly wrote sign here, so it should be cos. Make it cos. Since sin 45 and cos 45 are same, it wouldn't be that much change, okay? But when you consider other sign, other degrees also, you will get different values. So yeah, cos 45, you make it 600 cos 45 into 400 mm, so we will get it as 329.706 Newton meter. Okay, so the value is, the unit is Newton meter. For the y-intercept, what is the formula? Sigma moment by sigma Fx, not Fy, okay, Fx. So is equal to, substitute the value 329.706, and what is the Fx value? 824.264. Substitute, you will get it as 0.4, convert it into a mm. Okay, otherwise you can directly keep this value if you want. So it will be 400 mm. I hope you understood the steps of the problem, and if you get any queries or any doubts, please feel free to drop it in a comment section. I will try to help you, and please do like, share and subscribe, and do follow for more. Thank you so much.